What's good, YouTube? It's your girl DejaDeshay, and I'm back with another video, y'all. So as y'all see from the title, y'all already know what we doing. Now, for a little background, I had learned how to sew when I was in elementary school. I would say around like 5th or 6th grade. Now I only learned how to sew like, it was like a project for like the week. I was in a YMCA after school program for my school, so we learned how to sew, we learned how to crochet. I'm teaching myself how to knit, but you know it all go into the same thing. So basically I took those skills and they stuck with me for the rest of my life. So now, well, not even now, for a lot of y'all who have already been following me, y'all know I do masks. See, look, I still have a video, y'all. I sold 100 masks. Now, it was last summer, like in the middle of the pandemic. So with my business, stylez, me and my partner, which is my girlfriend, I sold and she customized the mask. I also have sold these shirts up. So I had sold up 100 of these shirts, y'all. And I did it in the course of 4 days. Well, I'm gonna still drop that video. Like I said, I have a lot of videos that I have done and I haven't posted them yet, and I'm gonna post them anyway, even though they're old. I just felt like, they're old, but you know, I did take my time on making them, so I still would drop them, and it'll probably help somebody. It'll probably help somebody else out there, so I'm definitely gonna drop those. So that will be right here on the screen. For my girlfriend's business, which is J. Make sure y'all go ahead and check her website out. It's pronounced right here, J. It's French for off topic, y'all. It's dope merch, and I also played a part in creating some of it. So that's another really big thing that I'm so excited for, you know, to see people in a design that she designed, you know, and I played a part in her vision. I really felt like I was a part of something. Now I really do feel like I'm a part of something. So as y'all see from the title, I will be showing y'all how to do a crop top using a sewing machine. Still learning myself. I watch a couple YouTube videos. I also have patterns. For those of you who don't know what patterns are like these. They already come in a kit. You can get these from Walmart. They come like a little papery. You just take them and whatever you want to use as your stencil, whether it's a cardboard, like stock kind of paper, or you know, whatever you choose to make your stencil, you just take these, cut them out, cut around it, and then boom, you have your stencil forever. I will let you guys know everything you will need, so just make sure you stay tuned on the video and don't skip, okay? For you who think you won't go ahead, get ahead. I mean, if you in a rush, because I done did it before. But then y'all don't skip. Come on, let's get to know each other. I'm Dej, for those of you who don't know me. Now, before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification button to be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you already been on my channel, thank you for watching. Now, when you subscribe, you automatically subscribe to this. Don't you want to be a part of the game? Right.
Control you. They watching, they all adore you.
You trying to be a part of the game?
You are in doubt. Remember when mama told you brown skin girls, your skin just like pearls.
Hi, so it's me. We're doing a voiceover. So you'll need a sports bra that you can fit so that you can use it as your lining. As you can see on here, I had already lined up my sports bra with a black marker, which I do not recommend, because later on, if you need to adjust the sides, you already marked up your fabric, so now it has black lining on it. So for this, you would need a piece of fabric. I cut my fabric from a larger piece, and then you will need a cutting board if you're not like cutting on the floor or a desk or something, and you would need this cutter. I got mine from Walmart. So now that we have measured where we want to cut at, remember to cut at least 1/4 seam allowance. So I cut one side and then I just folded it and cut the other side to make sure that they were even. And again, that's why I was saying do not mark it with a marker, but we're still learning, so now that we know, we'll do better. Now we will be connecting the sides and the shoulder straps. We will also hem the neckline and the arm lining. I'm going to show you guys how that look. When sewing, you want to make sure you back stitch so that your stitching is secure. Okay, once you hem, we're going to sew the sides down to make it a complete top. Okay, you guys, so this is what I ended off with. Please excuse my camera. My back camera is messed up, so I have to use my front camera to kind of angle it. And I know this is not the most professional way to do this. Also, my mannequin is a little dusty. This is what the finishing looks like. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, catch that vibe, hit that bell notification button to be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you already been on my channel, thank you for watching. Now when you subscribe, you automatically subscribe. Alright, so run it up, we out.
Right on your side, but it's hard to do right. Don't pay them haters no mind. You can be what you like. Trying to lead us in the past, running for a new life.